Hello everyone, welcome to Tai Chi class. Let's get flowing. Take a deep breath in and out. And the arms float out to the sides and drift back down. Breathing in and out. Nice deep breath into the belly and slowly let it out. And now this time, bend at the elbows, gather in, and press down for sinking the chi. Breathing in and out. And this time, take one foot and step it out, about shoulder width. And the arms come out in front of us and float back down. Just a gentle rise and fall, like riding the waves. Breathing in and out. And round your arms out like you're giving a nice big hug. And one hand floats to the top of the chest, the other hand follows underneath, and embrace the moon. Give that moon a toss, switch your hands, and catch it again. Breathing in and out. And give that nice big hug again. Palms face each other, but don't touch. This hand drifts down and out. Turn at your waist. Bend the elbow. This palm flips up. And this hand pushes out. So this is repulsing the monkey. Breathing in and out. And as this hand drifts out, this hand will follow across the chest. Tap this toe in and give a little sink. Doesn't have to be deep. Just bend the knees a little. And this hand presses down. And this hand folds in. And both hands together. And give a little tap out with this heel. And bring it back. And let's get in some balance work here. Tap. And bring it back. And now go ahead and take that step out. This hand brushes down by the knee and this hand pushes out in front. This hand drops, this hand rises, turn at the waist, and bring it back around. Back to the beginning. Brush down by the knee, push out. Brush knee and push. Breathing in. And out. And now as this hand drops, this hand follows across, breathe it up and over, tap this toe in, and give it a little sink. Just a little bit. This hand pushes down and comes back up. Breathing in and out. And now this hand waves in and extends back out. Both hands together. And just tap the heel out and bring it back. Just a tap and bring it back. Working on our balance here. And I'm going to take that step out and brush knee and push. This hand falls, this hand rises. So go back around to the beginning. Brush knee and push. Nice deep breath in. And back to center, sink the chi. Nice deep breath in. Cross the wrists at the bottom, bring them up overhead and back around, and let's close the door. Breathing in and out. And the hands foot back down by the sides. 1 foot steps in, 2 palms together, and a little rock. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell icon so you don't miss the next class. And if you would like more and longer classes, find me on Patreon at patreon.com/CoachJo. And I'll see you next time.